Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. At the end of last week, I was away in France for a few days, and while I was there, I heard the rather remarkable news that Liz Truss, the British Prime Minister, who was brought in only a little over a month ago to replace the disastrous Boris Johnson, had sacked her Chancellor, basically her main finance minister. And this was after saying repeatedly that she backed her Chancellor, that there was no way she was going to sack him. Suddenly there was this remarkable 180-degree U-turn, and he was gone. I returned home on Saturday to find the ruling party, the Conservatives, in basically open civil war. They're all busy stabbing each other in the back. There are rumours of a plot to remove Liz Truss from 10 Downing Street. There are party members calling other MPs and other party members all kinds of terrible names. And basically, the whole party, the whole government is in complete disarray. If something is in disarray, it's in a very confused, chaotic, disorganised kind of state. If you say that the government's in disarray, you basically mean it's a bit of a shambles, a bit of a shit show, if you'll excuse my French. In the same way, you might talk about a company being in a state of disarray. You might get some news through that causes you to change or cancel all of your plans. The news throws your plans into disarray. If you're watching a football match and one team is being very badly beaten and they're playing very badly and the players are running around like headless chickens, the team is in complete disarray. Meetings can be thrown into disarray, or they can collapse into disarray when something causes them to become a bit more chaotic and disorganised than usual. And as you'll probably have seen over recent days, the Russian army is clearly in a state of disarray. Last week there was a story about soldiers who'd been sent to Kherson shooting their commander because he was stopping them from surrendering. Over the last few days we've seen other groups of soldiers shooting each other after arguments and disagreements about religion. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use disarray.